Hello everyone, welcome to Indian share market and stock analysis for 12th January 2024. If you are watching our channel for first time, please subscribe to the channel Share Market C2C to get our regular updates. Let's get into the video. This is our agenda for the today's discussion. Indian market open and closure data. What a powerful rally led by IT sector after the Q3 results. This type of comeback with the IT sector performance make strength for our bull run, which was break with all-time high 21,834 with a bull run of IT. It seems to be more energetic, and we can say still some more steam left on the bull run by turning back of IT sectors with Q3 results. Yes, as expected, Q3 results of IT sector is been muted. As all we know that Q3 is with more holidays in, and the revenue expected will not be that much good. So market only will react any all times whenever the unexpected things going to happen, either it is positive or negative, which is already known factor. The market will not react negatively, which is known that the results will be in a flat results. That's why you can see the infosys result when it's not meeting to estimates market experts. However, in US ADR, as we told in the trade setup, it gone up by 5%, and it's make a bull run instead of being reacting to the news of poor result. So that's how the market reacts. So you should not always think that poor results means the market the stock will react negatively always. No. So sometimes the negative factors will be already factored in, so the stock will not react on that whenever the things happen. So today we can say the bull run, it reached to the next level, touching the milestone of 21,928. So which is very closer now to 22,000 run very easily possible. In fact, Nifty futures of February futures already touched with 22,000, and it's trading now 22,100 plus. Gift Nifty is already very close to 22,000. If today US market opens positive and there is a positive in the US market, Gift Nifty can easily pass by the 22,000, and most of the IT stocks been ended at a day's high. So which means whenever the market ending at the day's high, we can see some more action left for the next opening as well. So there could be a positive opening on Monday. Then after that we have to look into from there the sell off or it moving forward. So Bank Nifty today it's not making much action. We can see today it's surprising. Nifty moved around 250 points, and Bank Nifty is around with the 271 points higher. Bank Nifty it's rallied by PSU banks. We can say PSU banks did well, especially which is done by rallied by SBI. We can say SBI it moved more than 2% today. That's good. Also the Canara Bank and some other banks, all the PSU banks managed well. However, the weakness we seen still with the HDFC Bank till the result, it will be like this. Even today, last 1 hour, the dragging of market happened only with the HDFC stock. Even last 15-30 minutes, it moved up and down by 50 points by pulling down HDFC, up and down, it going here and everywhere. Reliance, it was down by 1% today. So then that was the fall, immediate open after the gap up opening with the Reliance low, the market came down. Then the Reliance recover from there to 1% up. So that makes the market to steadily move and for the to reach all-time high. So today market ended well with expiring. The week ends, and there will be a 2 days off, so people will not carry much position. But it seems both institutional buyers, FIA and DIA, should be net buyers by this way. We have received the quarterly results of Wipro. We can see in the next, but HCL Tech still not released. So Wipro, as expected, they posted the down result with which is 12 percentage profit net profit down from its year on year quarterly results. So what to say, this is already factored in. That's why today the Wipro, all the IT stocks been with more than 4 percentage up, which knowingly Infosys and TCS, they are meeting with the expectation. That should be the same for all the IT stocks. So the net profit is 2,694 crore for the third quarter of the financial year. So it is in line with the expectation. The market experts predicted that it will be around 2,706 crores. It came in line, matching with the expectations. So that's why the stock reacted positive as well. So the consolidated revenue is 22,205 crores, down by 4.4 percentage year on year, which analysts also estimates around 22,343. So it's almost nearing to the analyst experts. That's as expected. The result came, so the reaction will be positive only. So the decline in revenue because of its weakness in the banking sector, financial services, and insurance sector. That was the main revenue which was generated by Wipro, but that was not happened in Q3. So hopefully they can have a new orders in the Q4, which Q4 will be always good for the IT side, which in financial year of Q4 and the new year, which is 2024, they can have a new orders coming in, which they can expect good results. So the stock ended with 465 rupees, up by 3.88 percentage. We can see how today it reacting in the US market. Then we can see some actions on Monday as well. Coming to Q3 results overview of HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, we have get the estimates from the experts. So most of the experts, they are expecting from the HDFC Bank, which is the NII, which is net interest income, is expected at the range of 28,846 crores. From the previous quarter of 27,385 what was there. So which means they are expecting more from the previous quarter. If the inline is matching with the HDFC Bank results, then there can be some action where only the Nifty Bank, it's not with all-time high. Rest all the Sensex, Nifty 50 already touched with its all-time high. So based on HDFC results, we can see some action in bank index next week. So the year-on-year figure, which the net profit it's down, as they are expecting that 15,910 as a net profit, which is down by from the previous quarter 15,976, which is down. The experts are expecting. So if we can see if it is beats the estimates, then there could be a power back rally from HDFC Bank. We can see already it touched around 1,700. From there it is falling to almost 3 to 4 percentage. If it is in line to the expectation or beats the estimates, then we can see a good run in banking sector as well. Next, about the key stocks news, KPI Green Energy, they got a new fresh order from for the 2 megawatts solar power, which make the stock to move further. They extended with 1,508 on this stock. Infosys, as we have told, they have, despite of the poor results, since they are having a good business orders in their business, which around $3.2 billion dollars of new businesses being recorded in Q3, which makes the stocks to move further. So global brokerage like Jefferies, he have been impressed with the company's new book order. He's saying with the new orders, the stock have a good bull run to maintain with the 13% CAGR for 2024 and 2026. So that is positive for this stock, as I am also holding a big number of stocks in Infosys. In fact, in my portfolio, I'm holding Infosys as the major investing stock. So I'm holding around the range of 1,400. I'm expecting around the range of 2,000 to have some profit booking on this stock. So LIC shares fall on receiving an income tax demand notice worth of 3,528 crore. Today the stock was down by more than 1%. Then it recovered from there. Then the stock ended around the range of 829.30. Tata Consumer hits again the 52-week high. This stock performed well in the last 3 months. It gave a massive return of more than 20% return. So this stock it's up by today 3.5% because they are acquiring Capital Foods, which is Organic India. So by this, if this deal becoming in action, this stock have further movement in this stock. Already their Tata Coffee and Tata Consumer Products mergering is going to happen by this week, I think by Jan 15. So after this, the new action with Organic India, it is positive for this stock. Next, with Mahindra and Mahindra declines after the December exports skid by 41% as their production, their exporting reduced by 2.1%, where in the same year they have sold of 45,299 vehicles, but in this they have sold for 44,348 units, which is down by 2.1%. This is negative for this stock, and this stock ended flat for today. Next, REC to raise about 3,500 crore via yen-denominated green bonds, which is yen means that is a Japan currency. They are going to issue a global bond with good interest for this to raise the fund. Currently the stock is trading at the range of 428. I'm holding some stocks from the range of 200 plus. So this I'm having a minimum number, but this is going to give a good return for the stock. Next, about the domestic motor vehicle sales for which is up by 4% at the range of 2,86,390 units in December 2023. So the auto industry sector told that two-wheeler domestic wholesale stood around 12,11,966 unit last month against in the same year 2022 December they sold only 10,45,000, which is up by 16%. That is positive for the automobile sector who are with the two-wheeler business. So that's why we can see a rally in the Hero Motor Corps and other two-wheeler Bajaj sectors as well. Next, about the polycab news, there is a recovery of 3% on this stock because they stated, polycab management stated that there is no official IT demand statement is given by them after the raid been completed. So because of that news, the stock is been up by 3%. However, the stock is down by 28%. And we have read an article that almost mutual funds and investors have lost of around 2,000 crores of their investment from the investing money. So still the experts are saying until the clarification or official confirmation about the IT search has been completed along with the corporate governance issue, till that time this stock is considered to be still weak. We also recommended the same yesterday. This stock having a support around 3,500. Currently it's trading around 3,980. So please don't consider this stock for right now. So Concor shares dipped by Q3 domestic volume by 1.25% despite there is 8.25% growth in export and import volumes. Currently I start investing on this stock, which is a governmental stock, which is a container corporation. The stock is trading at around 889. I have also brought the stock around this range only. So I am expecting some good results from next quarter because there is a Red Sea crisis also. There is some import export demands there is a freight charges also increased. That could be one of the reasons of this downfall also. HG Infra up by nearly 4% after winning 716 crore railway project, which is currently trading at the range of 903. It was up by 2% today. Its 52-week high is 1016 and 52-week low is 619. This stock is trading in the middle range. This stock can be considered if it come down around by 800 levels. Muthoot Fincorp launches its 300 crore NCD issues, which is non-returnable debenture. They are going to issue it starting from Friday, and it will be open till 25th. The company said there will be a good returns of on this public subscription, whoever interested. Committed to achieve 50% of renewable sector power sources ahead of 2030, said by governmental sources. That's why you can see a power pack action in the renewable energies action stocks as well. As I am also personally invested in many renewable sources stocks like NTPC, NHPC, IREDA, and Suzlon. So I'm limited with the number 4 to 5 stocks, and I'm accumulating those stocks in a good range. I'm already with 30 to 40% returns on these stocks. Next is one FII and DAI focus stock. We have got one stock today, which is GC Ventures Limited. This is a micro cap stock. However, this stock is newly attracted by one of the institutional buyer, Inams. That is Mr. Akash Bansali. He have brought 6,29,570 crores in this micro cap stock. This stock this is one of the renewable energy sector as well. So this stock is currently, since in the market, it was from 2010. So they are performing well. Why we are saying about the background of this stock? This stock is still under the book value. Down to the book value, this stock is trading. The book value of the stock is 283, and it is trading below to it. Currently it's trading around the range of 244. Any time you can consider the stock which is trading down to its book value. That means the stock have the potential to go to the level of its book value at any time. You cannot expect when it will go, but the stock have the potential to reach to its book level, whatever it is. So I have missed one stock like this, which is Canara Bank. The stock was trading around the range of 200 a year before, but the book value, it was around 400. My friend was recommending so many times, but I haven't shown the interest. But after that, I have searched for many stocks. I have experienced that whichever the stock having trading below to the book value and intrinsic value, that stock have a potential to go up further. Coming to brokerage recommendations, Siam Metallics and Energy, ICICI Securities bullish on this stock. They set the target of 780. Currently it's trading at the value of 683. TCS Motilal Oswal is bullish on this stock. They set a target of 4,250. Currently it's trading at 3,882. Infosys Motilal Oswal is bullish on this stock. They set a target of 1,750. Currently trading at the range of 1612.75. Not only Motilal Oswal, too many brokerages have given for the TCS and Infosys after the blast today run. Like a Sharekhan and Prabhudas Leeladhar, like many brokerages, they have given for the buy call on this S securities. Coming to commodity sector, today oil prices boomed up. So oil, the Brent, it was trading with more than 3%, like it was trading at the range of 74 USD, and USD to INR, the currency which is appreciated, which is very good. It came down to the 82.992, which is positive for India if the US dollars value come down. And gold, it was up today by more than 0.5 percentage. Today it was, the gold was up by 437 rupees, trading at the range of 62,225. And Bitcoin, after the ETF launch, it was rallied and it's trading around the range of 46,000. However, for the Bitcoin, South Korean regulator wants brokering US Bitcoin ETF locally may be illegal. So coming to the global news, Japan's Nikkei index reached after 34 years peak. That is positive for this Japan index. In fact, recent days, we can see Japan index is outperforming the market, and that is very good. One negative thing about the US CPI inflation data, which was inching to 3.4% year on year, which is negative for the global market as per the market experts. So they were expecting the Fed will be cutting the results interest rate by the first quarter, but by seeing the inflation rate movement up, there could be a delay in monetary policy, maybe move to the Q1 of next year. So that is negative. So we need to see how the US market is going to react till the end of Fed meeting. The US and UK conducted military strikes in response with the Houthi rebels about the Red Sea crisis. So that is in fact to bring into control about the vessels and ship movements in order to make the in control. So that's it for today. I hope this week ended well with the breaking of all-time high of Indian market. We can expect 22,000 soon. That's it for today. Have a good weekend and stay safe invested. Thank you.